Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe Update today. So fear and greed index is showing that the fear is at 28 right now, and last week we saw an extreme fear, right? So we've actually been down to a place where people are really scared, and this is probably the time where we can actually start to see some rock bottom and try to go back up again. Now, I'm pretty sure that at this point of time, we have a lot of bears that are going to open up short position and whatnot. And that's the beauty of the market, right? So even when you think that everything is over, one thing can actually give you a good feeling, and that is whenever a market goes down, you will always have traders who are opening up short position, and they have to be liquidated at some point. So whatever market goes down has to bounce back up again because of those people who are trying to short the market. However, we still have problem, okay? We still have pending targets. I would actually say 70% of the work is probably done, right? So 70% of this correction is loaded, maybe 20-30% more drop, and we bottom out. That's just my own personal take on the following coming scenarios. Now, I'm not going to extend the video too much. There's nothing significant that has changed ever since the last time that I posted about Pepe, but it's only that you lost the trend line, and the trend line has a target down to 435. I would actually say let's just hit 435 first, and then we will talk about what happens next, or come up to 1151 and break it. Then we will actually see a scenario to go back up to the upside. Today's Sunday, the last day of the week, and also as I said before, that the middle of the month can actually be the sweet spot to bottom out. So maybe next week is going to be important. And speaking of the weekly, let's check the weekly time frame, and you can see we're still red, right? We have a lot of wicks, a lot of red candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This green, I'm still gonna consider this as red. 6, 7, 8, and 9, right? So 9 weeks of continuous blood to the downside, and I don't really think we have seen such a long red since like forever. Maybe this is, if you notice, this is the very first big sell-off probably ever since the coin was launched. I haven't seen such a big sell-off. Even when this sell-off was happening, we had a huge reaction, and then we had a sell-off. So this is the first one, right? This is the biggest one that has ever happened until now. On average, we've been seeing drops of nearly, the biggest one was maybe 69%. This one was nearly 64%. But this, man, this is huge. This is 75% already, or nearly 80%. And we still have little bit more left for this one to happen. But I will still say that, on the flip side, Pepe is kind of discounted, and I only see a good reason of getting it maybe down to the support, as I said, at 400 or 380. That can actually be a good place to enter, because unfortunately where Pepe is trading right now currently, we do not have any support until down to 362. That's the only problem that I see with Pepe. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.